Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our final golden ticket this half term. So it's your last chance to win a golden ticket this half term because next Friday we've got presentation assembly. So all of you children are working so hard throughout this half term, we're getting certificates next Friday, so look out for that. But let's see, this morning it is Friday the 21st of May and we're here for our nursery reception, Year 1, Year 2 and the SRB to see who's won golden tickets this week. So let's start. Kicking off this morning in the SRB. This week's golden ticket goes to someone that has been making excellent choices since they first arrived in the SRB. They concentrate on their work and are friendly and helpful to others every single day. They have also been trying to read more at home. Again, they really have. Golden ticket goes to Lacey. Well done, Lacey. Look, always does the right thing. Helpful and friendly, reading more at home. Look at it, look at that big smile. Put a big smile on Mr. Allen's face. Well done, Lacey. I'm really proud of you. I know your sister's going to be as well, okay? Your sisters will be so proud of you, so really well deserved, well earned. Enjoy taking this home today. Well done. Moving on. Nursery. In nursery, obviously we've got two nursery winners this morning. So this week's golden ticket winner has been listening and joining in really well in our group work. She's a great friend and plays with everyone. She really is. Even Mr. Allen, when I go down there in nursery. She's brilliant. This child has been coming into school with a big smile on his face. He's been talking about his interests in full sentences and has been working really hard. It's lovely to hear these nursery children working so hard. Golden tickets go to Rafaela and Elliot. Well done, Rafaela. Look at you. Look at the big smile on her face there. And Elliot, look. Well done, Elliot. Look at you writing your name. You clever boy. Well done, you two. So proud of you. I know your brother's going to be really proud of you. Your sister will be proud of you. So really well done, guys. Enjoy taking these home. I'm really proud of you. Well done. Moving on. We've got shark class, look out, in reception. Our golden ticket winner this week, despite having a sore nose, she really has come to school with a smile and tried her best in all she has done. She really has, and she's an absolute superstar. Golden ticket goes to Marcy. There she is at Forest School, and bless her, she really hurt her nose last week, but she's been in school anyway, and still with a big smile on her face. So I am really proud of you, and you were so brave, Marcy, so well done, hun. Huge congratulations. Moving on to Turtle class. This child is always hardworking. She's extremely helpful and polite. A great model to others around her. Having role models in reception. It's phenomenal. Golden ticket goes to Jessica. There she is. Look at Jessica. Well done, Jessica. You absolute superstar. Your first golden ticket at Mile Cross Primary School. Well deserved, hun. I'm really proud of you. Enjoy taking this home and have a fantastic weekend celebrating. So well done. Moving on. Miss Marshall says, all year this child has behaved well and produced excellent work, but recently I've noticed that they're working harder than ever. How can they even work harder? It's amazing. I always look forward to seeing this child's work. And so does Mr. Allen. Golden ticket goes to Casey May. There she is. Casey May, look at this. Look at her maths. Brilliant maths. Well set out. Beautifully formed numbers. All correct. Well done, Casey. You absolute superstar. I'm so proud of you. Mum and Dad will be really chuffed. So well done, you superstar. Keep it up. Moving on to Miss Begum. Miss Begum says, this child has been working hard to be an independent learner. They're getting better at giving things a go when they find something challenging. They listen carefully during class discussions and are keen to offer their answers and ideas. They certainly are. Golden ticket goes to Maxwell. There he is. Big, look at that. Look at that, Max. Look at this. Hey, how proud is he of his work? And so he should be. Brothers and sisters, they're going to be so proud of you as well. So well done, Maxwell. You superstar. Enjoy taking this home. Congratulations. Moving on. Miss Halkin says, this child has been trying really hard in phonics and made amazing progress. Certainly have. He's become much more confident with his reading and is reading 5 times a week at home. His math skills have really improved, and in the last 2 weeks, he's been solving complex addition and subtraction problems. What an amazing mathematician, hey? Golden ticket goes to Levi. Here he is. Look at that fruit kebab. Oh, looks amazing, Levi. Always got a massive smile on his face as well. Really well done, Levi. Keep up that reading at home. Huge. Your sister's going to be proud of you, I know. So really well done, you superstar. Keep it up. Moving on. Mrs. Cook says, this golden child bounces into class every morning. They have a brilliant attendance and continue to read at least 5 times a week. I said at least because they're reading every single day, sometimes twice a day. They're a good friend to everyone and try their best whatever they are doing. They really do. They're absolute superstar and always a huge smile on their face. Golden ticket goes to Gabby! There she is, look at that. Look at the beautiful work as well. Well done, Gabby. I am so proud of you. Well deserved. Keep smiling, keep being so bubbly and friendly and lovely to everyone because you're an amazing superstar. Thank you so much. Well done, there we go. Well done to everyone. Well done to all our golden ticket winners this morning. Absolutely superb, really well done. Enjoyed taking these home and have fantastic weekends. Finally, it's just to say, this weekend, building on everything from my assembly, I think even at home, let's help someone, tell a joke, be a good friend. Let's do this at home as well. Why not? Okay, let's have a really fun weekend looking out for each other. It's going to be a bit miserable. It's going to be raining. I've looked at the weather, but let's have a really good weekend at home and just helping out, being good friends and telling each other jokes. Till next week, everyone. Bye-bye now.